Hey everyone, welcome to the channel with a quick life hack, maybe tips and tricks and DIY. So let me get right to it. This tire right here, it's a run flat. It's on a BMW X1 2018, I believe. The owner had a nail, or rather a screw, a huge screw, like a construction screw, go through the tire. One thing that I do want to clarify on this video is you can repair run flats just like you can repair any other regular tire, as long as the tear or the puncture is not on the sidewall. No tire that is torn or ripped on the sidewall cannot be repaired. So let me show you really quick. You can see that, but there's the plug right there. Bring it closer. You can see the plug right there. This plug, that is where the screw was. Now, the way they repaired it wasn't a regular patch, and it wasn't a regular plug. It was what they call a patch plug, and they had to remove the tire to fix it. Now, it's been 5 days since the repair was done, and it's holding air. So there is some truth to what the salesman tried to say. Run flats, the way they're designed is they're designed in a way where once you lose air completely, you can still drive on these tires because they have something on the sidewalls, maybe some donuts or rings, whatever you want to call it. I'm not here to get technical. And what that does, it allows you to drive on the tire with completely deflated. I think it's a maximum, it depends on the tire, 50 miles at 55 miles per hour. Then after that, you have to replace the tire because the tire's integrity is compromised and it will not hold air. But here is the life hack that I want to recommend. If you have run flats, and most cars, the newer ones, have tire pressure monitoring sensor. That's what TPMS stands for, and a light will turn on in your dash. When you see that light go on, pull over immediately and check the pressure. And if it's really low, try to get to the nearest gas station as soon as possible. Don't drive your car at a high speed, because that's what starts breaking the sidewall inside and degrading the tire. Chances are, if you drive slow or if you get air into it as soon as possible and keep it inflated until you can get the tire plugged, if it's a nail or if it's a screw or a puncture in the actual threads, that'll increase your chances of salvaging the tire and not having to make an expensive repair. The second tip is get yourself a portable compressor. Not only will you save money in the long run, every time this tire was inflated, the car was driven from gas station to gas station, and I think it was $1.50 at one gas station, $2 at one gas station, and $1, and it depends. I know Quick Check and Hess, they give you free air, and sometimes when you go, those compressors are not working, they're broken, and chances are someone is using it. You want to save yourself the headache, you want to save yourself the aggravation. This is tip number 2. Get yourself a portable compressor. They start, this one right here, $10 in Harbor Freight, but if you get a 25% discount coupon, it's even less, and that's what we did. And it'll pay for itself. They have cheap ones, $10, they have $20, and they have $30. It depends what you want to get. I would say the in between, maybe you want to go to Amazon and get something for $20, and it'll last you a long time. But this will definitely save you a lot of headaches, a lot of aggravation. When your tires are low, you can inflate them yourself. You can help somebody else in the long run. and it'll pay for itself. This one is rated up to 150 psi, and it gets the job done. It's always good to have jumper cables and a portable compressor. Trust me, you will thank me in the long run. So, to clear up a myth, run flats can be patched, they can be plugged, they can be repaired, as long as the puncture is like any other tire, in the threads. No tire can be repaired if it's slashed, gashed, or punctured in the side. One repair would be an inner tube, but even that would be sketchy, because then the inner tube could seep out, and that would be another mess. In conclusion, don't believe everything you hear. There's a lot of debate online whether these can be fixed or not. Yes, they can be fixed. Never trust a salesman. They are going to try to sell you everything, because in the long run, they make a profit, they make a commission, they make money. And if you go to a gas station or to a tire repair place and they tell you that the tire can't be repaired, unless the tire is shredded or destroyed, go to a different gas station or to a different tire repair shop and get a second opinion. Chances are your tire will be repaired. So if this video has helped you in any way, and it taught you something, and it cleared any concerns, hit that like and subscribe button, tell your friends, and stay tuned for more videos.